This is question 17 of section 1 of Natural Sciences Admissions Assessment past paper 2017. And in this question we have a cylindrical hollow metal pipe as shown here, which is 16 centimetres in length, and it has external diameter 10 centimetres and internal diameter 8 centimetres. We also know the density of the pipe, so the metal it's made from, so the density of that is 8 grams per centimetre cubed, and we want to find the mass. So to find the mass, we're going to have to find the volume. So let's think about the volume of the large cylinder and then the volume of the small cylinder, and then we can consider the large cylinder, subtract the small cylinder to find the hollow pipe we have. So to find the volume of the large cylinder, what we need to do is find the area of this outer circle and then just multiply by 16. So we know the area is pi r squared and the radius is half the diameter, so the radius is 5. And so the volume is going to be 5 squared, 25, times pi times 16 the length. Similarly, for the small cylinder, we get 16 pi times 16. And so we find that the volume of the tube is 16 times 25 pi minus 16 pi. So we've just done large cylinder, subtract small cylinder to get this bit here. And then we can simplify this down to 16 times 9 pi, which is, of course, equal to 144 pi. So the next thing we need to do is use a formula to find from the density and the volume the mass. So can you remember the formula which links mass, density and volume? It should be density is mass times volume. Now, if you forget which way around this formula goes, it's quite easy to remind yourself by using the units. So we're given the density in grams per centimetre cubed, and grams is the units for mass, centimetre cubed is it for volume, and we're dividing, which is what the per means, so we're doing grams per centimetre cubed. So that's how we remember which way around it goes. So let's just plug our numbers into this equation. So we know the density is 8, and we now know that the volume is 144 pi. So we get something which looks like this, which we can rearrange to get that the mass is 8 times 144 pi, which is 1152 pi. And so our answer is G.